One of the lovely things about working with Action Coach is you've got someone to bounce your ideas off of as a business owner.
My name's Keith Myers and I'm the Managing Director of the Myers Touch in Winchester with my wife Helena.
So Myers Touch has been running for 15 years. When we were introduced to Action Coach, we realised that this was a company who would work on a week-by-week basis against a bigger plan of having your goals and visions met.
When Keith made contact with me, he was frustrated. The company had a lot more potential to move forwards, but it just wasn't achieving that potential.
We had a really poor system of interviewing and recruiting, with a failure rate which was quite high in terms of keeping staff or getting the staff that we really wanted. However, with Kevin, we've actually totally turned our interview process upside down, got a really good, consistent process which has got us a great person for an operations manager, and we're going to roll out the whole process again every time we actually need a new person.
I suppose in the year that we've been with Kevin recruiting 3 staff, which we currently had 4 beforehand, so that's a 75% increase in staff to deal with the workload and growth that we're experiencing.
It was really getting the people in the team to actually focus on their key areas so that we could get the work done.
Action Coach has helped us with priorities and planning, with a structured plan that makes real sense and helps us focus on the things that are really important to growing our business.
Another amazing feature of Action Coach is not only to my husband and I as business owners get our weekly meeting, but our whole team have access to improvement meetings whereby an area like marketing or time or management, all these mastery skills are put in through these classes. To have a place where my whole team can go is an incredibly useful resource, and it also gets the whole team on the same page.
So there's a whole lot of mindsets that need to be changed, as well as kind of business structures and systems that you don't really realise. And actually once you get that foundation working well and laying down, it kind of creates the seedbed for some really exciting things to happen. Last year we probably saw a 10 to 15% increase on our turnover. And actually we saw a significant increase in our profits.
Obviously it's critical as a business owner to understand the figures, and truthfully that was an area of weakness that we had in this company. Interpreting useful figures, tracking your KPIs, and making sure that you really know where your bottom line is. So Kevin introduced us to a whole load of tools, some amazing spreadsheets which were specifically engineered for the needs that we had. I've also got team techniques to ensure that other people are also aware of the roles they have to play, simplifying everything really. So Action Coach has allowed me to set aside specific time every week in order to work on my business and to systematically work towards one thing which will bring focus to an area that I want improvement in. Being a business owner and knowing that you don't know everything, it's amazing to be able to go to an Action Coach who's got different skills to you, and to both bounce back, discuss, thrash things out, and to help unravel, I guess, what's really within inside you and what you really want.